Curious about the fuse box diagram and its location in the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee? Where are the key fuses situated and how can you access them? This guide provides clear answers to help you troubleshoot electrical issues with ease. Underhood fuse gasoline engine. The underhood fuse box in a gasoline engine vehicle houses essential fuses and relays, providing power to critical systems such as the engine control and headlights. It ensures circuit protection against electrical surges, typically located near the battery for accessibility. Underhood fuses hybrid. Underhood fuses in hybrid vehicles protect critical components such as the electric motor, battery system, and power electronics. They ensure safe operation by preventing electrical overloads. These fuses are typically accessible near the battery compartment for maintenance. Interior Power Distribution Center. The Interior Power Distribution Center manages the electrical system, directing power to various components. It ensures proper voltage regulation and protects circuits from overload. The gasoline engine provides reliable performance with efficient fuel combustion and optimal power output for driving. Interior Power Distribution Center Hybrid. The Interior Power Distribution Center in a hybrid vehicle manages electrical power distribution, optimizing energy flow between the battery, electric motor, and various components. It enhances efficiency by regulating power to key systems. The PDC also aids in protecting circuits from overloads. Rear Power Distribution Center. The rear power distribution center in a gasoline engine manages electrical power flow to various components, ensuring efficient energy distribution. It includes fuses and relays to protect the system. The PDC is located near the rear of the engine compartment for optimal wiring routing. Rear Power Distribution Center Hybrid. The Rear Power Distribution Center Hybrid efficiently manages electrical power distribution for hybrid vehicles. It optimizes energy flow between the battery, electric motor, and other systems. Its compact design ensures reliable performance while maximizing space utilization in hybrid models.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.